Yeah, I just arrived at Vientiane train station. So yeah, it's amazing because this train station is out in the middle of nowhere. It's about a half an hour drive from the centre of Vientiane to this train station. You drive through paddocks with its cows, and so the Chinese have built this long way out of the city. So yeah, very unusual, but great. They're great to have a fast train that goes in between the cities like this in a country like Laos. Yeah, so there's the reception area for the train station, and as you can see, it's closed at the moment, so everybody's just sitting around in the outside area. At least it's cooler in here than outside there. I'm inside this magnificent new facility. This is a train station built by the Chinese, and it's absolutely massive. And you've got to go through screening here where they go through your suitcase but yeah, incredible. It's only about a year or two old, but the Lao people have got to maintain it. Chinese have built it, but it's already, the Laos people are not great at maintenance. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it goes here, but to think that this city's only just barely 1 million people, Vientiane, and it's got a fast train coming through it with a train station of this size. We would like something like this in Australia, or my city, yeah. Yes, I'm on the train here. Yeah, it takes about half an hour. It's actually a lot of people lined up, a lot of people. But it looks good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the China Laos Railway. Please be seated.
Yeah, so it's called the China Laos Railway.
Please put your belongings carefully on
fast
the
train,
track.
not a bullet train though. It's a second class seat. The hotel receptionist yesterday, they didn't want to book the ticket for me because they said you had to go online or go to the train station, book it yourself. And so I went down early this morning and asked them again, and had a different person in the reception. He didn't want to do it, but you've got to get the app, and it's very difficult for foreigners to book a ticket evidently on the app and on the internet. So eventually he did it for me. He booked this seat, 171,000 kip cost me. It's a second class, it's not first class here, but it's still very good. Like plenty of leg room. It's got toilets and plenty of storage space for the suitcase, etc. So it's a pretty good setup. The man's just sat next to me here. He's Chinese. Now, whereabouts are you going, sir? Where? You going to China or Laos? TikTok? No. Yeah, he speaks a little bit of English, but yeah, I'm going to Vientiane. Yeah.
ในวางไว้จุดวางกระเป๋าขนาดใหญ่ที่ทั้งรถไฟกำหนด
Ladies and gentlemen, passengers who have just boarded the train, please be seated according to the seat number on your ticket. Please put your belongings steadily on the specified racks.
Absolute jungle. We've arrived at Vang Vieng station. We get off at the front of the train and more people get on the back. Vang Vieng station. We're all very happy. We got picked up at the airport at Vientiane airport, and then they load us into these little tuk-tuks like this, tuk-tuk van, and it costs 30,000 kip to take us into the main part of Vientiane. So, yeah, see how we go. Now it's starting to rain too. Yes, I've just arrived at the Amory Hotel in Vang Vieng, and people are very friendly too, very, very friendly. There's the swimming pool, that looks pretty good too.